Anyone can set up a darkroom. It doesn't take much. Really, all you need is a closet. No light goes in, and it'd be great if it's a closet with a sink, but that you don't have to have that, because you can use, all you need is 3 trays. You can use Tupperware trays. They're enlargers, the machine to make your prints from negatives. People are giving those away. You don't have to pay much money, if any. 2 gallons of paper developer is like $7. In Evil Bay, as I call it, you can get pretty cheap stuff and you're ready to go. It's easy. It's still happening. People think, oh, it's gone away. It has not gone away. If anything, it's come back, just like vinyl has come back, sort of. So anyone can make a darkroom. I do black and white. I have my own business, so people come to me to have them processed. I teach at CMC, so I teach people how to do it so they can come to this lab. Anyone can take that class and learn. So this is open to anybody. And I notice when I teach that the hands-on means a lot. It makes you think about exposure and composition. You think, oh, this is $5, so it slows you down. You really think, why am I taking this picture? Look at the exposure, look at the lighting. Last year I was in San Francisco. I was taking pictures with an older camera, twin lens, so that really was different. But more than that, when I changed the film, that I opened the back, I put the paper roll in there, I had 10 people looking at my stuff and they're like, whoa, my grandparents used to do this. That's when people go, oh, you're using film, so you're cool now. Oh, well, whatever. I'm still, it's 2-dimensional art. It's just picture taking. It's just different.